to 8-out Pandora's box. My style's unorthodox, left-handed self-law, right brain self-taught. Back when I started busting rhymes like coming of age. Same time I bust my first nut, coming of age.
Hey, hello, welcome back. My name's Jason. This is another episode of Street Defense, and today we're going to cover the side headlock. Okay, so this is, kind of, I don't know, show real quick. It's a kind of, big brother bully kind of thing. They might grab you here. Usually they'll try to throw this other hand like a punch, so grab you and punch you at the same time, and it's just a very common thing. But it's the good thing about the headlock is it really won't choke you, right? Like if he has me here, this won't choke me. The only time that the headlock might choke you is if my chin is over here in the pit of his elbow right here. Then it might choke me, but traditionally the headlock's here, and usually they're just trying to throw you to the ground or punch you with that other hand, okay? So first things first, once they grab you in that headlock, we want to establish a good base, okay? So he grabs me, wide, good base. So we'll back up a little bit just to show him. Wide base, okay? Another thing is I want to make sure that my legs are behind his legs, okay? If my legs are in front over here, none of these techniques are going to work. So first we're going to, if we do find ourselves here, we're going to establish that behind position right there, just stepping that leg behind. Now the first one's real simple, all right? We're going to shuffle our legs behind his legs, and we're going to take our two hands and grab his legs right here, okay? From here, all I do is sit, and I can pick him up, and now I'm going to use my legs to hinge, so I'm not just using my back, and I'll hinge back. He's going to go off the ground, and I can drop him off over on the side right there, right? So I drop him off, throw my few punches, and run away, just like we need to, okay? Just enough damage to get away, all right? So next one we're going to cover is going to be the side headlock, but instead of lifting them, we're going to try something different, okay? So he's going to grab us in that side headlock, okay? And now, say, maybe this guy's really heavy. Maybe I can't lift him up, right? So we're going to take our side arm that's closest to his body, right? So this arm's closer to his body. I can wrap it around him, right here. So I'm going to wrap it over his shoulder, and I'm going to take the blade of my hand, okay, towards my pinky, but on the lower part of my hand, okay? And I'm going to put it right on his PHILTRUM, okay? And it's going to be right above his upper lip, but below his nose, okay? Right there. Now that's a little pressure point right there. And from here, I'm going to sit and push up and into him, just like that, okay? This will compromise his balance. From here, I can throw my elbow strikes, throw whatever strikes I need to do, and run away, okay? So that is 2 side headlock techniques, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, that's it.
Ironic how in high school I made the high honor roll. While I was high honor roll, killing instrumentals, never sentimental. But I'll be sentimental institutions for this crazy hell I'm spewing.